Hi everybody, this is just a quick video on how you can update your Oculus Rift if it has stopped working. So as you know, Oculus just released a update this morning. If you get the error when you try to launch your Rift, can't reach Oculus Runtime service, all you need to do is go to the website, and you can also type in oculusrift.com rift-patch, and you can download and install the patch that way. So you just click the button right here, hit the install, click yes. Of course, it'll load for a couple seconds. Now, Oculus was telling us that this problem, and you hit repair, and it'll start to work. So from what I understand, from what I was reading last night, this is a really common problem that can happen in a lot of hardware situations. I was talking to a couple developers last night, and they were telling me that this is something that they just, have nightmares about fixing. Thankfully, Oculus came back through and not only gave us this patch very quickly within about 48 hours, but they also gave us a $15 credit to our accounts. So if you've logged in since February 1st, you now have a $15 credit on the Oculus Store account. I highly recommend picking up Onward with that amount of money. Very fun game, having a lot of fun with it. It's also one of those games you just gotta have if you are in VR at all. And once you hit that, you are installed and ready to go, and then it'll launch the Oculus Rift software. Show you all about Kin, and that's it.